You are not unlucky, you're just stuck in survival mode. And this is what that energy looks like. You're constantly overthinking, you're over planning, you need constant stimulation, you need to have all the answers right away. You don't feel safe in that pause. You're always looking for closure from other people. You chase validation, you force outcomes. This is what it feels like when you're in survival mode. And what's actually happening is your nervous system feels extremely unsafe to slow down and relax. And then there's magnetic mode. The magnetic mode is slower. It's more relaxing. This is when your shoulders are relaxed, your jaw is unclenched, your body language is open. You feel safe in the pause. You don't need answers right away. You allow things to unfold. You allow people to take their time. You let things come to you without forcing, without chasing. You're not obsessing over anything. You don't force anyone to choose you because you decide what you choose. You decide what happens in your reality by commanding your energy. And the best part is you don't need to become someone else to be magnetic. It's just a slight energy and nervous system shift. And this is what I teach inside my new 14-day challenge, the Become Magnetic Tapping Challenge. And you will see how easy it is to actually turn on your magnetism. You may think that the magnetic person is more confident, but it's not that. They just feel more safe. It's not about confidence at all. It's about the energy in which you feel safe within yourself. And that energy of liking yourself and feeling safe in your body radiates out as confidence. When you're in survival mode, you react. When you're magnetic, you respond. In survival mode, you will constantly try to control outcomes. But when you're in magnetic mode, you trust your energy and the energy of life unfolding before you. Survival mode is all very much coming from the mind. So it's thinking, right? It's like, how can I get them to want me? But when you're in magnetic mode, you start asking yourself, do I even want this? Do I even want them? When your body feels safe, you will stop forcing or chasing anything or anyone to complete you. And that's when you'll realize people will start noticing you. Opportunities will start chasing you. Life will love you back. Why? Because you are loving yourself. You are noticing yourself. This is what magnetism is. It has nothing to do with your looks. It has nothing to do with having the perfect hair or makeup. You don't even need to be confident. Magnetism is simply a regulated nervous system. And I can prove it to you in under 14 days. When you work on your energy, you will start noticing the difference. Join the Become Magnetic Challenge at the link in my profile. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in there.